Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this this very pretty Austin Healey 3000 Mark I BT-7 Roadster. It's finished in Colorado red with black trim, which is kind of your staple British sports car color. It's really nice. It's fitted with a 5-speed gearbox, which is quite an improvement over the original 4-speed with overdrive. This gearbox in here, it's custom built for this car. It's a full synchro mesh, and that 5th gear is a very good high overdrive gear, so no problem driving this car quickly on the freeway at high speeds with a relaxed engine RPM. 60 spoke chrome wire wheels. These are absolutely brand new. We just purchased these and fitted them on the car with new tires. And this is an older ground-up restoration. We purchased it from a guy in his 80s in I believe it was Pennsylvania, and at the time of the restoration he said he spent around $80,000 or $90,000 on it, which seems like a lot of money, but you know, people get carried away with these cars and they just start throwing bucket loads of money at them to get them restored nicely. So yeah, let me take you around the car. Older restoration, but paintwork, bodywork, chrome, very, very nice. Still showing exceptionally well. I'll take you around slowly here. You can see the quality of the body and paint. Great panel fit, very nice grille fit. Hood gaps are great. They've added these louvers. They're quite tasteful. I'm not a big louver fan, but you know, these are very nicely done on this perfect hood. So nice way to get the heat out of the engine compartment there. But you know, barely a chip on the car. Really well taken care of. You know, we spent a lot of money on this car, and I'm sure it was well taken care of. So, you know, excellent body and paint overall. Chrome was all renewed. Everything was done nicely. It's fitted with a Modelita wood wheel. Upholstery is very good. It's not really brilliantly up to the standard that the paintwork is, but you know, you can always use this trim and down the road have it redone again. But for now, it is quite nice. It's done in vinyl. You can see a little bit of wear here, and you know, untucking there of the seats. But seats are in really great shape. They're real comfortable, real supportive. They're the original vinyl bucket seats. We didn't receive the little back seat here, which they're available. I think they're available from the UK. You can get them upholstered in black to match the car. We don't have one available right now though. Soft top's brand new, fits brilliantly, fits really lovely. We do have a brand new set of side screens still in the box for the car that we're going to sell with the car. But yeah, upholstery's very nice. It is fitted with a mixture of instruments here. The fuel gauge and the combo gauge, they're the original Roadster, but they've fitted this with a later tack and speedo. Let's look under the hood here. Yeah, you can see the finish there. Very, very nice. Very, very nice body and paint work. You know, definitely done by a professional shop that knew what they were doing with bodies. So under here we have a very nice, clean, detailed engine bay. The car is fitted with a pair of HD8s, which are the BJ8 Mark III specification. I believe it's fitted with a high torque starter, an electronic ignition. The way this car feels, I'm pretty sure it's got a camshaft fitted, so it's sort of a BJ8 plus spec engine. Really gets up and goes nicely. Runs really cool. It looks like it's got a brand new or newer radiator and a multi-blade fan there. See that multi-blade desert fan? That's a nice option. So yeah, nice clean, well detailed engine bay. Engine was rebuilt during the restoration. That has really good oil pressure. It's got a really great throaty exhaust noise, and great looking car. great looking 3000 Mark 1. It's got this rally, quick release rally fuel cap. So yeah, lovely car. Older ground up restoration. I think it was all taken apart, chassis, body. You can look at all of our undercarriage photos, and just lightly used over the years, but still presenting really well. Yeah, I'm still very, very impressed with this body and paint work. But yeah, preceding this walk around, you can see me driving this car around the streets. It's a really good performer, especially with that 5-speed transmission. And good little 3000 Mark 1 Colorado red, black trim, 5-speed, 150 horsepower BJ8 specification engine, 60 spoke stainless wire wheels, and very, very nice older restored car. And it's for sale right now on our website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.